Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday of April 29, 2021. Please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube so you'll be updated on the current market. First, I'm going to show you some of the sector and stock that keep the market in the uptrend. First of all, we talk about the energy sector, the symbol is XLE. So this sector, after they pull back in March, they pull back down, they stabilize. Now they break out and find a way to push it back up. So the energy stock are the biggest gainer this week at the OPEC decision to keep the oil production lower in May, as well as unexpectedly sharp decline in oil output in the US last week, will have put the oil stock higher. I'm going to show you three stocks in this sector are on the move right now. So the first of all is the Exxon Mobil. You know that this is a strong one. After they pull back down, they find a support at this level. Now they find a way to put it up to the higher. The next one is the DUK. That's another energy corporation, a very strong stock. They move it up, but where the other stock go down, this one it didn't go down much, and then they found a support at this level. Now they find a way to put it up to the upside again. The next one is the DVN. That's the Devon Energy. It also they put back and then they break out of our trend line. Now they continue to put it up to the upside. And the second sector that I would like to tell you that the financial sector, that the symbol is the XLF. As you can see that the financial sector is very strong, right? And then with a lot of money flowing to the market, with the support of stimulus packet, people spending, and the bank, the housing, building is still doing well. So that's why the financial sector is moving up very high. As you know that the bank stock is moving up very strong at the earnings report this week, and many of the smaller stock of the bank stock are posting a triple-digit earnings as the lending have picked up and the company are turning into the local regional bank. So that's why XLF were doing very well. And the three stock, I'm going to pick up three stock in this sector and I'm going to show you. First of all, that's the Bank of America. As you can see here, they after the pullback, found support, continue to put to the upside. And JB Morgan, that's another strong local bank. They're doing very well. After the breakout, continue to the upside. And the next one is ABCB. That's another American bank, also doing very well after they pull back down 9 flat and break out and continue to the upside. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy booking, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist where we handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week, and I will analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. As you know that trading is a risky business, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology so that you'll be in the right side of the market. You need to be in the community so that each member will get support and mentor every day and get guiding every morning in our live trading room so that you can make some extra daily income. You can ask any ticket symbol and get answers to confirm your thinking before taking the trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Now I'm going to do a market update for this week. So right now, the VIX is still very low. As you can see, the last couple of days, they put it up, put it back down, but the overall is still in the low bound. So the market still stay very calm. And on the other hand, that you can see that the 10-year Treasury note, after they found support, they put it back up. So they call the technology stock choppy a little bit the last couple of days, but right now they put it back up. They hit the resistance now. So let's see if they will pull it back down tomorrow or next week. And if you look at the ES, the immediate SP 500, it's still very strong right now. The momentum is still in the upside, even though the momentum gets weaker every day, but it's still in the uptrend. As long as it's still in the uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend. And look at the Dow. The Dow is also still goes sideways, but the overall trend is still up. And look at the NQ, which is the Nasdaq. It's still going sideways for the last couple of days after the breakout all-time high. They pull back and forward. The momentum is still hold up there. So as long as they are still in the uptrend, Okay, we still stick with uptrend because the yield put it up a little bit, so they are probably in the sideways before they can tell it more clear direction where they want to head into. And the Russell 2000, it also gained some momentum, but they get a problem at the sell zone here, so they need to go sideways here to build up some momentum, and then let's see if they're able to continue to go to the upside. And you look at the crude oil it continued to bounce back up after they hit to the support, and then they still put it up to the upside. Gold is still have a trouble to punch through the resistance here, but the overall trend is tied to more bullish in the future if they're able to break out this level, and we can get up here very quickly. All right, and if you look at the Bitcoin is also, like I said, you know, the Bitcoin got far too expensive, so they hit to the sell zone, they get to the buy zone, so now they go sideways. So this is the area they will find a support and then rebound to the upside. Okay, and in the other hand, Ethereum is very strong, as we can say here. We set on the weekend, they hit the sell zone, they go back to the buy zone, and this is still portable, so people do try to hang on to it, and the momentum, they will find a way to put it up to the upside in the future. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please check and click the thumb up button below. Thank you for watching, and please any comment you can put it below, so will help me to make the YouTube better. All right, good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.